Orange County, California chiropractor and car accident expert Dr. Barry Marks in Orange, California reveals what you need to know immediately after a car accident. Dr. Marks has prepared a free doctor's checklist for you to keep on your phone or print out and keep in your glove box. This is information Dr. Marks feels is crucial to help you in the event you suffer a car accident. The 72 hours after a car accident are crucial. Mistakes during this time can hinder your recovery and damage your case. Dr. Marks's checklist tells you step by step what you need to do immediately at the scene of the crash. Then, he gives you the steps you need to take after you get home and during the next 72 hours. The doctor's checklist is available free as a public service to Dr. Marks's neighbors in Orange County. Dr. Marks is recognized as one of Orange County's leading car accident injury experts. He has specialized in car accident whiplash and concussion treatment since 1986. After his formal training and obtaining his Doctor of Chiropractic degree, Dr. Marks spent 3 years in postdoctorate specialty training in orthopedics. He has also logged hundreds of hours in postdoctorate specialty training in whiplash and concussion, earning advanced graduate status. Dr. Marks is also a former associate clinical professor at a leading chiropractic college. When it comes to car accident injuries, Dr. Barry Marks, chiropractor, has both the training and experience to help car accident victims in the Orange County area. In fact, he has successfully helped thousands of accident victims recover. Get your free doctor's checklist by going to drbarrymarks.com and look for the orange banner. You'll also find a link to book a no upfront cost car accident severity evaluation.